Hello friends, again welcome to Fisheries Only Nourishing Fish Nurturing Life Educational YouTube channel. Today we are going to share one more video regarding the torpedo. Can torpedo can produce electric current? It is can paralyze to a fisherman or any bathers. He can paralyze. That's the question we have to answer here. In this video we are going to discuss its classification, its distribution, geographical distribution, food and feeding habits of these general features as well as the special features of the torpedo. Torpedo is commonly called as electric rig due to the presence of pair of electric organs are present in between near to the dorsal or in between near to the brains in a head region, mostly in a head region, that's called as a electric ray. First, we see the classification of the torpedo. Torpedo comes under the phylum Chordata. Chordata have peculiar characters present, like that the presence of the tubular nerve cord, notochord, and gill slits are present. Then comes under the group Craniata. That is, in Craniata, the brains are enclosed in a cranium. That's why the group is called as Craniata. Then subphylum Vertebrata, that is vertebral columns are present in this subphylum. Then division Ganthostomata, that jaws and paired appendages are the peculiar characteristics of the Ganthostomata. Then superclass Pisces are the aquatic animals, and that's are having a paired fins, gills and skins with scales. That is the peculiar characters, that is having pair fins, gills and skin with scales. That is the superclass Pisces. Then class Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes class is having peculiar characters such as the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Also peculiar characters like skins is covered with mostly placard scales, and instead of operculum there is a gill slits are present. That is gill slits are present here. Then subclass Selachi. In Selachi, mostly the shark and rays came under the Selachi. The gills are separate in gill clips, and cloaca is mostly present in this group. That is subclass Selachi. Then order Hypotremata. The Hypotremata having peculiar characters such as gill slits at ventral sides, spiracles present, dorsal fins on tail. That is the dorsal fins are present on the tail. That these are the peculiar characteristics of the Hypotremata. Then family Torpedinidae. Torpedo comes under the family Torpedinidae. In this, the trunk forms a broad and smooth disc, in which the trunks, that is, forms the broad and disc-like shape containing electric organ. That's why it's called as Torpedinidae. And genus is a torpedo. Now we see its a geographical distribution. It is a torpedo fish is widely distributed and which is reported from the Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic and Indian Ocean, as well as Red Sea, Pacific Sea, East Indies, China, Japan, South Africa, as well as North and South America. These are the having wide distribution, habit and habitat. This is a carnivorous in a feeding habit and mostly present at the bottom, maybe in a sandy bottom or muddy bottom. It will be live toward the bottoms, and it is mostly flat fish and also near about the 40 to 50 fathoms in the depth region. These are mostly observed in the 40 to 50 fathom depth, and it is mostly carnivorous, mostly feeds on crustaceans and small fishes and mollusks. Before we will see the external features of the torpedo. This one is a torpedo, that is electric ray, that is the head region is here, this one is a trunk region, and this one is a tail region. In head region, the eyes and spiracles are present on the dorsal side while mouth is on ventral side. These are the two electric organs, pair of electric organs are placed on either sides of the head, either sides, which is called as electroplexes or hexagonal cells of electric organ. There are two types of organ, one pair of small and one pair of large electric organ. These are the vagus nerve, which is connected towards the electric organ. This one is the gills, are present gills on either side of the fish. This one is a pectoral fin This is a small pelvic fin. This one is a tail region. Tail is a short. On tail, two dorsal fins are present. That is first dorsal fin and second dorsal fin. Caudal fin is also present at the end. This one is a spinal cord also present here. These pectoral fins produce a semicircular disc. That's why the shape of the torpedo is a missile-like, and that's why it is called as a torpedo fish. It is also having the electric organs, pair of electric organs, which is kidney shaped. That is called as a torpedo. This is just external morphology of the torpedo. Now we discuss the general features of the torpedo. Torpedo is commonly known as electric ray due to the presence of pair electric organs, which is a modification of the muscle which is present in between the pectoral fin and brains in the anterior region of the fish body. It is having a two large and two small electric organ which is made up of containing a electrocyte, that is the cells which are producing the electric current, that is called as a bunch of the cells are present here. Body is dorso-ventrally flattened body. Body is like a semicircular disc which is supported by the endoskeleton and the posterior tail, forming a semicircular disc. Each measures about 60 to 90 centimeter across the width, and it is having whole body is color of the body. Whole body is lightly brownish color, brown color background, and it is present with a beautiful irregularly shaped magenta colored spirals or the spots are present on this body. The coloration is most brownish color background, and on which these irregular shapes of the spirals or spots are present on this body. These are the peculiar characteristics of the body. Skin is smooth, non-tuberculate, and sometimes without scales. Eyes and spiracles are closely placed to each other on the dorsal side near to the electric organ. Mouth is transverse and which is situated ventrally from the back side, ventral side. It is situated. Tail is thick and short, having two dorsal fin and one caudal fin. Tail is short and thick, having two dorsal fins and one caudal fin. The pelvic fins are just beneath the lower margin of the pectoral fins. Two dorsal fins are present on the tail region. Gill slits are 5 gill slits are present on the ventral side. This is a viviparous fish and giving birth to the young ones. That is the having a viviparous peculiarity in this we can observe. The special characters of the torpedo. Torpedo is electric ray contain a pair of electric organs situated either on both sides in between the pectoral fin and head. These organs are considered as a modification of the adductor mandibulate and constricted muscles and supplied with vagus and terminal nerves. Each electric organ is composed of hexagonal cells called as electroplexes or electrocytes, which are filled with jelly-like fluid and arranged vertically like a prism between upper and lower surface. Upper surface corresponds an anode, while the lower surface corresponds a cathode. The electric current of 50 to 60 volts can passes from the positive to lower positive upper side to the lower negative side surface. That is, it can produce 50 to 60 volt of current. After he has discharged electric current, sometimes will be required to again discharge the electric currents. This is a mechanism. Production of the electric is an offensive or defensive mechanism. When it is used for the to capture the prey. When the prey is above the fish, he can discharge the electric current. Then the prey will be paralyzed and he can easily capture the fish. In defense purpose, also it is can be used. Even fishermen can caught fish, they can discharge electric current and fishermen get a shock. Electric shock. The peculiar characteristics of these electric organs, they can produce electric currents for self-defense purpose. That is the main peculiar characteristics of the electric ray. Thus, we discuss here what is torpedo fish. Torpedo can produce currents, can paralyze can harmful for the fishermen, its classification, its habitat, and special as well as the general features of the torpedo. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, promote the channel, share the channels, and also press the bell icon. Thank you.